Jamaica has the audacity, they would say, of they can take any sport on. So they had a ice hockey competition here in New York. And he said, ice hockey? Yeah, we have an ice hockey team. We took on Puerto Rico and we beat them the first game. And the other games, because we beat them already, we're not beat them again, right? So, you don't need to know the rest of the story. We beat them already. But the point was that the Ice Hockey Federation reached out to me. Of course, teams coming in, CJ, they're not enough food. Here's another man, Fried Bickle, I can help this. Of course, we don't usually have any money. What we try to do is that we source it. And I can call on certain people. And they know when I call on them again, I'm not asking them. I'm according them an opportunity. So there's a gentleman inside there who we accorded an opportunity, and the what do you call it now? The association, which is the Ice Hockey Association, has asked me to present a certificate of appreciation to this gentleman. And you know, he's an entrepreneur celebrating his 60th birthday party on May 4th. And I figured he wanted to announce that because he likes those kind of stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank, this certificate is presented to Mr. Michael Williams. And it reads, this certificate presented to Michael Williams in recognition and appreciation of your support to the Jamaica Ice Hockey Team in New York. Your contribution to our team is deeply appreciated. We hope this certificate will serve as a lasting memento of this significant association. This is signed by the president of the Ice Hockey Association.